Acclaimed short story writer Colleen Maria Lenihan has been appointed as the Victoria University of Wellington International Institute of Modern Letters and Creative New Zealand Emerging Māori Writer in Residence for 2023. Colleen Maria Lenihan no Aotearoa, Ngāpuhi is a fiction writer, screenwriter and photographer and is with us now. Tēnā koe, Colleen. Thank you for joining us and congratulations on receiving this appointment.
Tēnā koe. Thanks for having me.
What does an appointment like this mean to you and what are you looking forward to most over the 3 months residency?
Well, there are many things I'm looking forward to. I'm looking forward to spending time in Te Whanganui-a-Tara, and there's a lot of amazing kaituhi Māori down there, such a creative city, but most of all, I'm looking forward to having a solid chunk of time to be able to work on my next book. Most writers I know juggle jobs and have busy lives, including myself, so it makes it very difficult to have the bandwidth required to focus on our own mahi. So I feel very lucky to be granted this residency. There are so many incredible kaituhi Māori out there who are just as deserving, if not more so, of such an opportunity like this. So I really want to make the most of my time.
So during your residency, as you mentioned, you'll be working on a novel. It's set in Aotearoa in pre-European times. Why this topic? Why did this topic pique your interest?
Well, the simple answer to that is I can't think of any better way to spend my time than to think, dream, research and write about our tupuna and what remarkable, formidable, interesting people they were and are. They were so close to nature, and I'm really interested in exploring that incredible rich world and relationship and imagining what their daily internal worlds might have been like.
Yeah. Well, earlier this year you published your first book of stories, Wāhine. Talk to us about Wāhine and what inspired these books.
It's a collection of short stories, and it's been described as a meditation on grief, and I think that's pretty much what is at the heart of my puka puka, loss and how people deal with the cards they are dealt. There's a variety of different characters and points of view, but the central characters are a mother and daughter and their journey between Tokyo, Japan and Aotearoa. It could be a confronting, uncomfortable read for some, but I did put my heart into it, and I hope I created some moments of beauty that resonate with some people.
Well, you've also written for Ajikado, a drama on whakaata Māori. What's this experience been like for you, and what have you enjoyed most about this type of writing?
What I've enjoyed the most about working on that show was working with other Māori writers and learning from them and dealing with Māori themes. We had a really amazing cultural advisor, Mana Epeha, who shared some really beautiful kōrero about tohungatanga and spirituality. I also, loved working with my friend Annette Moore, who is a real powerhouse in TV, and she's helped kaituhi Māori like myself enter the industry. It's really fun and challenging mahi, and the show, I think it's really fun too. It's quite addictive. It has lots of vivid characters and really cool modern video and timely themes.
Beautiful. Hey, congratulations, acclaimed short story writer Colleen Maria Lenihan. Thank you so much for joining us today. Congratulations again on your residency, which starts in March. Ngā mihi.
Ngā mihi.